Neither is used to agree with a negative statement. Let's learn how to use it.
Now that we are going on a business trip together, you should know that I don't like coffee.
Neither do I. I always prefer tea.
And I can't speak Spanish.
Neither can I, but it's an international company so they know English.
Oh, and I haven't been to Madrid before.
Neither have I. We should go sightseeing after the meeting.
I'm not eating the hotel food while we are in Spain.
Neither am I. I found a great place with local cuisine. Join me if you like.
I don't enjoy hot weather, and it bothers me that our trip is in the hottest month.
Neither do I. I really wish we had planned it for a cooler time of year.
Your turn. Agree with this sentence and comment your answers.